Smartwatches have been the latest buzz in the gadget world for tech enthusiasts, as well as those seeking to take control of their fitness. Amidst this crowd of thousands of smartwatches available, one smartwatch, Amazfit Active 2, is winning the battle due to innovative features, good design, and price. The device offers all one expects from a premium smartwatch at an affordable price. The Amazfit Active 2 is the epitome of modern and minimalist design. Its light body and comfortable strap make it perfect for all day. It's made of strong materials that are both fashionable and strong. Its round dial with an ammo LED display shows vivid colors and clear readability even in direct sunlight. It also has an always-on display feature that makes information accessible without waking the device. Another positive point is personalization. It has numerous watch faces, so it's good for both casual and formal use. Whether going to a gym or business meeting, this Amazfit Active 2 suits any type of clothing. Continuous health monitoring is one special feature of the smartwatch. It comes with continuous heart rate monitoring. Such monitoring keeps the users posted about their current levels of fitness. Stress management tools help monitor the level of stress and find techniques to de-stress. Sleep tracking indicates the amount of deep sleep and light sleep, plus REM stages so that the user can understand where he or she is in their sleep pattern to make lifestyle changes to improve the quality of their rest. For fitness enthusiasts, the Amazfit Active 2 offers multiple workout modes ranging from running and cycling to swimming and yoga. With a built-in GPS, activities like outdoor excursions can be tracked thoroughly. Water resistant, it can thrive in swimming sessions or splashes in wet weather. The Amazfit Active 2 is impressive with its battery life. While many smartwatches need constant charging, this one provides longer usage time on a single charge. According to usage patterns, the battery can last up to 2 weeks, which is excellent for traveling and outdoor activities. These modes optimize battery performance, thus allowing the device to remain functional for long periods even when extensively used. The mode is beneficial, especially for people who use the smartwatch constantly, mainly for continuous health tracking and constant notifications. The Amazfit Active 2 is perfectly integrated with smartphones so that users can always stay connected. It supports notifications for calls, messages, emails, and social media updates, so users don't need to check their phones frequently. Music control and weather updates make it more convenient during workouts or daily commutes. Voice assistant compatibility adds another utility layer, allowing hands-free interaction with the device. This feature simplifies tasks like setting reminders, checking the weather, or controlling smart home devices. The smartwatch also includes payment options in select markets, making it a versatile tool for everyday errands. Combining multiple functions into a single device, the Amazfit Active 2 reduces dependency on other gadgets. While many other smartwatches that offer comparable features have a pretty steep price, the Amazfit Active 2 comes with a very reasonable price tag that won't burn a hole in your pocket, and it's affordable to many without compromising on quality or performance. It competes with high-end models by providing the same features at a fraction of the cost, thus making this device a favorite among budget-conscious buyers. The intuitive interface makes it easy to use even for a first-time smartwatch user. Navigation is intuitive with seamless menu transitions and easy access to important functions. The companion app provides further insights into health and fitness. Regular software updates ensure the device remains up to date with the latest features and improvements. These updates address any potential issues, making the Amazfit Active 2 a reliable and long-lasting investment. Amazfit's commitment to sustainability adds to the appeal of the Active 2. The brand prioritizes eco-friendly practices in manufacturing and packaging, aligning with the growing demand for environmentally responsible products. This is further enhanced by the reliability and performance of the smartwatch through positive reviews and feedback from experts in tech and consumers. High-quality products have enabled Amazfit to establish its name as reliable in wearable technology. One of the best smartwatches in the market, the Amazfit Active 2 combines the perfect blend of style, functionality, and affordability in the competitive market. Its advanced health tracking, long battery life, seamless connectivity, and user-friendly design make it versatile for diverse needs and lifestyles. The Amazfit 2 can be an excellent companion for modern living to improve your fitness routine or simplify your daily tasks.